Crash Course on Ireland, Art, Museums, Music, and Performing Art. Ireland is a land steeped in a rich cultural tapestry, with a vibrant art scene that continues to captivate locals and visitors alike. From its ancient history to contemporary expressions, Ireland's art, museums, music, and performing arts celebrate the nation's identity and creative spirit. Let's embark on a thrilling journey to explore the various facets of Ireland's artistic legacy. Art and museums. Ireland boasts a wealth of museums and galleries that showcase an impressive collection of artistic masterpieces from different eras. The National Gallery of Ireland in Dublin houses an extensive collection of European art, including works by world-renowned artists like Caravaggio and Vermeer. The Irish Museum of Modern Art, IMMA, is dedicated to contemporary art, offering thought-provoking exhibitions by both Irish and international artists. For a glimpse into Ireland's literary heritage, visit Trinity College in Dublin to view the Book of Kells, a stunning illuminated manuscript dating back to the 9th century. Music and performing arts. Ireland's music and performing arts scene is legendary, with a strong focus on traditional music and folk culture. Irish traditional music, with its lively jigs and soulful ballads, can be experienced in the numerous pubs and music venues across the country. The city of Galway is famous for its buskers and street performers, adding a touch of creativity to the vibrant atmosphere. Attend a concert or a session at one of the many music festivals that take place throughout the year, such as the Galway International Arts Festival, where you can witness a fusion of traditional and contemporary performances. Festivals and celebrations. Ireland comes alive with numerous cultural festivals and celebrations that showcase the nation's artistic prowess. The St. Patrick's Festival, held in March, is a grand celebration of Irish culture, featuring parades, music, dance, and artistic displays that attract millions of attendees worldwide. For a unique experience, immerse yourself in the captivating storytelling at the Cape Clear International Storytelling Festival, where ancient tales and myths are brought to life by skilled narrators. Top 12 attractions of art, museums, music, and performing arts in Ireland. 1. The National Gallery of Ireland, Dublin. 2. Irish Museum of Modern Art, Dublin. 3. The Book of Kells at Trinity College, Dublin. 4. The Abbey Theatre, Dublin. 5. The Galway International Arts Festival, Galway. 6. The W. B. Yeats Tower, Thor Ballylee, County Galway. 7. The Hugh Lane Gallery, Dublin. 8. The Crawford Art Gallery, Cork. 9. The West Cork Arts Centre, Skibbereen. 10. The Solstice Arts Centre, Navan. 11. The Limerick City Gallery of Art, Limerick. 12. The Cork International Choral Festival, Cork. Summary. Ireland's art, museums, music, and performing arts scene offer a diverse and immersive experience for travelers seeking to connect with the country's rich cultural heritage. From classic masterpieces to contemporary expressions, Ireland celebrates its artists and performers with pride. The lively traditional music, mesmerizing storytelling, and world-class exhibitions in museums and galleries create an enchanting atmosphere that will leave visitors inspired and moved. So, immerse yourself in Ireland's artistic delights and let the creativity of this extraordinary nation awaken your senses. Poem. In Ireland's heart, where beauty thrives, a tapestry of art arrives. From ancient scrolls to paintings grand, the creativity of this land. At National Gallery's splendid gate, masterpieces silently await. Caravaggio's brushstrokes divine, Vermeer's gaze, a moment frozen in time. IMMA's modern vision springs, where contemporary art takes wings. A fusion of colors, a realm unbound. Innovation and tradition, arts profound. Trinity College's hallowed halls. The Book of Kells enthralls. Illuminated words, centuries old. A treasure of wisdom and stories untold. In pubs and streets, music flows. Traditional tunes and lively shows. Galway's arts in vibrant sway. From dusk till dawn, they play and play. Cape Clear's tales, an ancient art. A storytelling symphony starts. Myths and legends, dreams unfold. The power of words, a magic to behold. St. Patrick's Festival, a grand parade. Green hues, joy, and music cascade. A cultural fiesta, a nation's pride. In Ireland's heart, traditions reside. From Dublin's theatres to Cork's choral delight, artistic wonders cast their light. In every corner, culture gleams. In Ireland's heart, where art redeems. Ending note. ******. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html $8=7989335. Thank you for kind support our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.